This is the evening debate going on, and now the GOP debate, Trump versus Clinton. And it's evening time, and of course, it's now going to bed. And I will close the TV now. And then now we need to. I need to have a beautiful glass of milk. Milk is very important for the human body. For the matter, the bones need to be strong. The bones, especially, they need calcium, and milk is the best to provide the calcium in natural form. So having a glass of milk in the evening before bedtime, that's awesome, that's beautiful, especially for ladies after 40 years age, because they are prone to osteoporosis osteopenia, and is very important for the men, but especially for women. It's a must a glass of milk. And of course, I will get all the ingredients. I have just forgotten about what are the important things. I'll just get it, and and that is in my this big what do you call that? The store of the things that I have kept at one place in the big tray, and I just want to open it. It is this turmeric powder, haldi. Show basically leather. So I just want to get you around all the ingredients to make a herbal cup glass of milk. This is hot water directly from the electric kettle. It just takes few seconds to make a hot water. And then of course you need to have this milk, Patanjali milk. This is milk, whole milk powder, cows from Patanjali. It is very nice and natural. I would say that it is the best available this time in town, because it's not sticky. Once you just put it, you'll find I have collected some of it in this big glass. It's not this. First of all, let me tell you, this is not what to call that plastic. This is glass. So I just put it in the glass, and then you need to have this cow milk, Patanjali cow milk. I have shown you the packing, and then put in the glass bottle, safe and sound. It has to be consumed in 2 months time. And then you need the ingredients. The raw material is the ingredients. This is turmeric powder. This is again the Patanjali turmeric powder, just for $18, but pure and nice and very digestive. And of course you need to have this raw sugar. Don't take that sugar cubes or sugar crystals, because they're very toxic. They are very, with all the chemicals, they spoil the body. In fact, never take the sugar crystals or sugar cubes in the finished form, as we have been taking it for years. But now recently I came to understand that taking raw sugar, jaggery, or for that matter this good, and that's much better, and that is digestive, and that is non-toxic. So first of all, I'll just try to just put this 1 or 2 spoonful. I'm just trying to open this milk in the jar. I'm just taking this out. You just see that it will just not be a paste like Nestle milk. I have seen it. It will just dissolve. It will just dissolve of its own. It will not be a problem. So I'm taking it around 2.5 spoon, and then just do like this. You just see that it's finished. It is just mixed. Not a problem. So this milk. My milk is ready in just 2 seconds by putting the powdered milk. It has been ready, it has just dissolved, and then I'm closing this milk jar and then milk powder jar, and then I'm just trying to get some turmeric. You just need half a 2 teaspoonful of turmeric. It gives you a lot of energy. It keeps you off from all the nuisances of that fever and all the bad things around. So you'll be hale and hearty. I'm just trying to just get a piece of that good with me so that I can put it in this. Remember that this have to be very clean. They have to be washed. These hands have to be washed before you just use them. Otherwise, don't use dirty these hands have to be very clean before you make all these things. So they have to be washed with your what do you call that, the soap, and then just close down and close it down, the turmeric, and then of course now this turmeric water also, and then you can just stir it. You just see the beautiful, excellent, great glass of milk. Turmeric milk is ready for me before bedtime. In the evening, the ingredient is the powder milk, once again, of Patanjali powder milk, which is put in this glass glass jar, and then you are having the turmeric powder again, Patanjali turmeric powder, and then I have this this is raw sweetener. And then if you sometime especially because this is summer time, but if there's winter, then you can just use this honey. This is 70 rupees honey, as Baba Ramdev ji is telling time and again. So you can use this honey also with just one spoon of honey during winter time. But this is summertime and I'm not going to use it. I'll just keep it back at its place. And my beautiful glass of milk is ready. This milk is very important for calcium, for bones, and otherwise there'll be a lot of, if you don't take care of your bones, there'll be a lot of problem, like the bones can be rickety, there can be pains, there can be sciatica, there can be osteoporosis, osteopenia. But if you take care of your bones by having this turmeric milk in the evening, and to make it tasty, use sometime the honey, and sometime during summer times this good or jaggery means raw sugar, brown sugar. So you can take care of your these bones, and you know that if the bones are not good, you will be doomed for life. Bones are the most important, especially the backbone, the femur, and the limbs. Bones are very important to keep you erect and keep you moving. Bones and muscles are very important. So far as the bones are concerned, the milk with turmeric is very important in the evening, and this is going to keep me away from the diseases, going to keep me healthy and fit. And so I suggest to all of you to take it. Thank you very much. Keep smiling and keep happy. God bless you. Ah, beautiful, nice. Ah, beautiful. This is hot milk. This is hot milk. This is hot milk drinking. How to make? a beautiful herbal glass of hot milk in just very short time. I have shown you through a very long video clip, but it can be just finished in 2 or 3 minutes, and you can just guzzle and you can just go to bed and save yourself from the bone problem, and also lead a very healthy and fit life, because fitness first, fitness first, fitness first. That's very important. Thanks. Keep smiling, keep happy.